friends, welcome back to Weldtech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. My name is Vincent. In this part of welding symbol interpretation, we will be learning about placement of dimensions or location of dimensions in fillet weld symbol as well as groove weld symbols. So let us start. Okay friends, now let us enter into the very important part of this session, that is dimensioning of the weld sizes and other dimensions. Okay, this is the complete weld symbol and the location of each elements which is explained. This is a fillet weld. Let us see how the fillet weld dimensioning is to be done. Okay. This is a fillet weld symbol, and on left hand side an 8 is given. That means 8 millimeter is the weld size of that fillet weld. Okay, and on right hand side you can see 50, 150. So what is the meaning of that? 50 is the welding length and 150 is the pitch. Okay, that means you have to do the welding at 50 millimeter, then leave center to center 150 millimeter. So please remember, always on left hand side it will be weld size of the fillet weld, and on right hand side this will be the length of the weld, and next to the right again it is a pitch. Okay, on right hand side always it will be length and pitch, and left hand side it will be weld size. This is for the fillet weld symbol. Like in this case, okay, it's on other side of the arrow. 8 millimeter weld size is given on left hand side. Length is not given. That means you have to do the entire welding. The total length to be welded here on the other side of the arrow. 8 millimeter is the weld size. Means from here to here it is supposed to be 8 millimeter from here to here. How the measurement can be done? You just see the video released by me a while ago. Now suppose both the legs are different. Legs means from this point to this is a leg, and from this point to this is leg 2. In such case you have to mention the sizes this way. 6, suppose this is 6 millimeter is what you are required, and this is 10 millimeter on this leg, then you have to mention it like 6 into 10 on the left hand side of the weld symbol, and your applicable welding is like this. Means it is other side welding. Okay, arrow other side welding, arrow side, because it is above the reference line, so that means you have to do the welding on this side, other side. Here we have done it here. Here the leg is 6 mm and here the leg is 10 mm. Okay, similarly on the arrow side welding 8 mm welding is given, because on left hand side and right hand side nothing is mentioned. That means no length is given, which means you have to do the complete weld, the entire length to be welded. 8 millimeter should be the weld size. Means both the side, both the legs should be 8 millimeter. Similarly on both sides of the fillet weld, this is how the fillet weld dimensioning to be done. Okay, this we have just seen how the fillet weld 8 millimeter is the size and 50 mm is the weld length, then 150 the pitch. Means from this center to this center of the weld, this distance is 150, that is pitch. Okay, so this is an intermittent weld. This is shown. This fillet weld is known as intermittent weld or stitch welding. Stitch welding, that's what we normally calls it. Okay friends, after the fillet weld dimensioning, we'll see how the groove weld dimensioning is to be done. Let us understand the interpretation from the weld symbols. Okay, in this case it is a double V groove. Okay, this symbol is V groove and it is given above and below. That means you have to do the double V weld groove on both the side. Double V groove weld is to be done. And let us see what is the meaning of this 3. 3 mm is the root opening here. Okay, 3 mm. So that is, just try to understand the placement of the dimension. If it is in the middle of the symbol like this, that means that is the root opening. And above that, this 45 degree is given here, which means the groove angle, this groove angle is 45 degree in both the cases. Let us see the actual work here. Okay, it is exactly on the middle, supposed to be on the middle. From here you make the 45 degree, that means this will be 22.5 and this also 25, so altogether this will be 45 degree. So this bevel angle, this groove angle will be 45 degree. And similarly here also, this also will be 45 degree. And 3 millimeter is the root opening, the gap between the joint is 3 millimeter. Okay, that is how the dimensioning of groove weld is given. Now let us see the next category, again groove weld. In this case it is single V groove and this PJP, that is partly joint penetration, not complete joint penetration, partly joint penetration. Okay, so let us see from the weld symbol what we can understand, what we can interpret. Again, you can see 2 dimensions on the left hand side. What are these? If it is on a groove weld, on left hand side dimensions, the dimension on this one, this dimension is for the groove, for the weld groove size, and this weld is the depth of the penetration, which will be in the bracket. The depth of penetration is the size of the weld, and this is the edge preparation. So now this 10 mm is given here, means this edge preparation from here to here. This is the edge preparation, the bevel, the groove, depth of the groove. The depth of the groove is 10 millimeter, and that is given here. And next to that, in a bracket, please note, in a bracket, that will be the depth of the penetration. That means here it is 12 mm. Here it is given 12 mm. You understand? From here to here it is 12 mm. 12 mm is the depth of the penetration or the weld size. That is the actual weld size in the groove weld. Depth of the penetration is the weld size. And on this side it is 10 mm is the groove, depth of the groove. Depth of the groove is 10 millimeter and depth of the penetration is 12 millimeter. This is what we understand from. And here the root opening is 0. Here it is shown 0. In the middle of the weld symbol it is given 0. That means root opening is 0 and the groove angle is 60 degree. This is the groove angle 60 degree. The groove is given on the arrow side because it is given in the below of the reference line. So that means it is on the arrow side, that is on this side. You have done this part joint penetration. Part is not complete joint penetration. Okay, got the concept? Let us move on. This is very important. Okay, this dimensioning, especially on the groove weld, the dimensioning is very understand. Sometimes you get confused. So please try to watch the video again and again and make notes. Alright friends, in this video we have learned about placement of dimensions in welding symbols. In the next video of this series, we will be discussing about symbols for weld finish, the contours, the weld finish, etc. And that will be the end of this series, the series of welding symbol interpretation. Until then, goodbye. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.